Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated releases in the world of photography and videography, the upcoming Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This camera is generating massive excitement across the tech community and could very well become Canon's most competitive mirrorless camera to date. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, a filmmaker, or a casual shooter looking to upgrade your gear, this might be the camera that changes the game. Based on recent leaks, this isn't a minor update, it's a potential category disruptor. If what we're hearing is true, the R6 Mark III could seriously shake up the camera landscape in 2025 and might even pose a serious challenge to Sony's Alpha series and Nikon's mirrorless beasts. What makes the Canon R6 Mark III so special? Let's dig into the rumors, specifications, design details, features, autofocus innovations, video capabilities, price expectations, and why this camera could beat Sony and Nikon at their own game. Let's start by understanding Canon's mindset. It seems like Canon is not just trying to upgrade the R6 Mark II. They're trying to push the limits of mid-range mirrorless cameras and deliver something that satisfies both professional and enthusiast markets. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III isn't just a refresh, it's shaping up to be a refined powerhouse. Multiple trusted sources in the camera industry confirm that the Mark III is poised to arrive with serious improvements that cater to modern photographers, hybrid shooters, and filmmakers. When it comes to design, Canon isn't reinventing the wheel, and honestly, that's a good thing. The Canon R6 Mark III is expected to maintain the same compact, reliable, and ergonomic body as its predecessor, the R6 Mark II. However, Canon is rumored to introduce subtle yet impactful design refinements. Think of a deeper, more comfortable hand grip, improved button placement, and tactile controls that feel like they were crafted with serious photographers in mind. The top plate is rumored to borrow inspiration from the Canon R3, giving it a more premium, professional aesthetic. And don't worry about durability, Canon is sticking with its trusted weather-sealed construction. This camera will be able to handle sandy beaches, unpredictable mountain weather, and even toddlers with sticky hands at family events. Canon's philosophy seems clear here: keep it familiar but elevate the experience. You won't need to relearn the camera, but you'll notice the quality of life upgrades every time you shoot. Now let's talk about what really makes the Canon R6 Mark III shine: the sensor. It's heavily rumored that Canon will equip this beast with a 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. For those new to stacked sensor technology, here's why this is exciting. Stacked sensors offer incredibly fast readout speeds, practically eliminating rolling shutter issues that plague traditional sensors. This means your action shots, panning, video, and fast-paced sequences will look clean, crisp, and distortion-free. Although the megapixel count remains consistent with the previous model, the improvements in dynamic range, color accuracy, and low-light sensitivity are expected to be significant. Shadows will be cleaner, highlights better retained, and the overall image quality will reach new heights. Pair this with dual DigicX processors, and you're looking at a real-time imaging powerhouse capable of high-speed continuous shooting, exceptional image processing, and smooth in-camera handling of large files like 6K RAW video. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus is already industry-leading, but the R6 Mark III takes it to the next level with dual-pixel CMOS AF3. This isn't just about tracking faces, it's about predictive AI that can anticipate subject movement. The autofocus system is rumored to be so intelligent that it can track birds, vehicles, pets, athletes, and even read directional intent. Imagine your camera knowing where your dog is about to sprint before it actually happens. This predictive autofocus system will not only make shooting fast action easier but will also drastically reduce the number of missed shots, even in complex environments. It's like having a photographic assistant built into the camera. Additionally, Canon is expected to offer up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, making handheld shooting in low light not only possible but reliable. Whether you're shooting video while walking or taking sharp photos at slow shutter speeds, the camera will do the heavy lifting. For content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers, this is where the Canon R6 Mark III truly separates itself. The camera is rumored to offer internal 6K RAW video recording, no external recorders needed, no complex rigs, no dangling cables. This streamlined workflow will appeal to YouTubers, travel filmmakers, wedding videographers, and solo content creators who need portability without sacrificing quality. Additional rumored features include 4K at 120 frames per second with full sensor readout, 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling with Canon Log 3 for maximum grading flexibility. No crop in high-resolution modes, support for popular codecs, making post-production seamless. This puts the Canon R6 Mark III in direct competition with the Sony A7 IV, A7S III, And even the Nikon Z6 III, when it comes to hybrid shooting versatility, storage, versatile and efficient Canon is expected to stick with a dual card slot setup, one CF Express Type B card for high-speed recording, one UHS-2 SD card for everyday shooting. And backup. This gives photographers and videographers the flexibility they need. Whether prioritizing speed or storage capacity, pricing rumors place the Canon R6 Mark III in the ballpark of $2,499 to $2,699 US. Yes, it's a slight increase over the R6 Mark II, but when you factor in the upgrades, stacked sensor, advanced autofocus, internal RAW video, and next-gen processing, the price seems more than reasonable. According to multiple sources, Canon is likely to announce the R6 Mark III around July 2025, with shipping beginning in early summer. Perfect timing for wedding season, travel vlogging, and creators looking to step up their content before the busy summer months. It's clear that Canon is strategically positioning the R6 Mark III to dominate the mid-range mirrorless market. It sits comfortably between the more affordable Canon R8 and the higher-end Canon R5, offering a sweet spot for creators who want cutting-edge features without diving into flagship pricing. This is a camera that bridges the gap between enthusiast and pro, competes directly with Sony's A7 series and Nikon's Z6 lineup, provides a serious upgrade path for existing Canon shooters using older DSLRs or early EOS R bodies. If you're wondering about the rumored Canon EOS R4, it's looking increasingly likely that Canon will skip that model entirely. Cultural considerations, such as the avoidance of the number 4 in East Asian markets due to tetraphobia, combined with Canon's careful lineup management, suggest the R4 may never materialize. Final thoughts: should you wait or upgrade? So, should you hold out for the Canon R6 Mark III? If you're currently using an R6, R, or even a Canon DSLR like the 5D Mark IV, the R6 Mark III looks like an incredibly compelling upgrade, especially if you shoot a mix of stills and video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.